Ooh, lips tingly. Hey beauties, my name is KT. If you're new here, if not, welcome back. On this video, we're going to be doing this face that I am currently obsessing over. It's cute. I wish I was going somewhere, but unfortunately, I did it just for you guys. So, hope you like it because I do. Okay y'all, so believe it or not, this is my third video I'm recording today. The first one was the epic fail video. I recorded another video after that and I don't even know, like it just didn't want to play for me. So here we are on video number 3 for today. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, we're gonna prime our lids. Like today has been wild for me, but I did prime my face already. Y'all know I try to do my brows in my primer before I come on here, so we can get straight into what y'all came here for. Do y'all want a brow tutorial? That's the question, because I can give it. I'm always talking, trying to do my makeup, and it be so choppy because I'm so focused. Now that we have our eyes primed, I'm going to go in my Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the reddish color, and we're going to use this in our crease. I'm going to go in with the dark brown, and I'm going to use that in my crease just to darken it up a little bit. Okay, so now you want to take some of your eyeshadow base, and we're not going to make a cut crease, but we're going to try to keep the shape, a half cut crease. We want to keep that shape without it being too harsh. So you want to apply your base or concealer, and then you want to blend it. Okay, so once you've done that, I'm going to go back in with the brush I use for my dark brown, and then I'm just going to go around the area and just kind of go back over it. So I'm going back with my colors and I'm just reapplying them. Okay, so now that we got that part together, I'm going to use these 2 blues in the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. It's the 2 blues on the 3rd row. I'm going to use those blues. I'm going to use the dark one first. And you want to blend it into the eyeshadows, but it's still keeping its place because you don't want to go too far up. You just want to blend it right in that area. Okay, then I'm going to use the light blue that's next to it. And I'm going to use this more so in the center. Okay, then you want to go back with that dark brown, and then you want to just clean around. And then I'm going to use my Super Shock highlighter from ColourPop. And I'm going to use the same eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take some of this. Y'all know it's like super pigmented, which I love so much. I'm going to try to keep this in more so in the center. More than the other color. So like... yeah, that's so cute. I just love me a poppin' eyeshadow, like, so cute. No, it's poppin', it's giving me life right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take another brush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up the shimmers, like kind of go through and lightly swipe through my shimmers like that. I'm gonna wipe off my eyeshadow brush because I don't want my super highlighted pigmented on there just now, but I'm gonna go back into the first blue just to kind of re-put it in certain places. So I just like kind of went back through with the shimmers, and I tried to put them, you know, the darker one here, the lighter one here, and then keeping the Super Shock in the middle. It's gonna blend, you know, because they are shimmers, but you still want to kind of give that illusion, you know. So I'm gonna go with the dark blue that's in the Magic palette. I'm just gonna blend it on the ends. Yes, that is so pretty. Now we're gonna go in with our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use this concealer brush. It's a flat concealer brush, and I'm gonna take some on the edge, and I'm gonna draw a line as if I had a cut crease. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna use my lime green. I thought I had a yellow, but I guess not. So I'm gonna use my lime green neon pigment, and I'm gonna place this then I'm gonna do my liner. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna make it go up at an angle. And what is up today? I'm making more mistakes than I usually make, and I'm not liking that. Okay, so going back to the Warrior palette, and I'm going to blend it into my liner. I'm going to blend the black into the liner. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then we'll come back. Okay, so these are gonna be the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Huda Beauty foundation in the color Peanut Butter. This is my fave. Okay, so after you've blended that out beautifully, if you like a bright under eye like me, we're gonna get it popping and put our bright concealer under our eye. And then I take me a darker shade foundation to contour my nose. Come on, nose. Then you want to blend the bright concealer and keep it right here. I swear I do not be pressing hard, and I be hurting my nose on the side when I do this. Like, something in there is very tender. Because even just trying to demonstrate it just now, it hurted. I don't know. Something up in there. Okay, so after I do that, I go in with my powder. And then I set it. I set like my whole face. I promise I filmed the entire look, but this is what the video did to me. Okay, so this will be the finished look. Y'all feeling it? I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. And especially after my 2 attempts today that didn't go well, I'm happy with this look. Now this shirt gonna choke me to death, but it's okay. Because beauty is pain, okay? Beauty is pain. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss today. It's gonna have my lips so tingly. It smells so good though. It has such a high shine to it. Like, that is beautiful. Okay, ladies, thank you for watching. I hope I see you on my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the look. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Thanks again.